Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to reset the service reminder on a Mercedes C-Class. This 2011 C300, but the same procedure can be carried out on all W204 C-Class chassis. So you insert the key in the ignition and you turn it one click. Okay. If you got any messages, go ahead and press OK. Make sure your door is closed. Next, press OK and answer button on the steering wheel and hold them. After about 5 seconds, the service menu comes up. Use the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel to scroll down to Assist Plus. Press OK. Go down to Full Service. Press OK. Scroll down to go Confirm Full Service. Press OK. Service carried out, press yes, then confirm, and that's it. Thank you for watching.